going to be going left first.
Very well. Go ahead, give me that one ready.
I know, especially that left hand, man.
Oh, yeah.
Brutal.
But you really have to decide, is it worth that extra time to try to come back for it?
I know.
As bad as I shoot lefty, it probably isn't.
If it wasn't for the 10 down on the yellow plate, man, I wouldn't even fool with it.
We don't have that.
Oh, it's not?
Not on here. That's just a stop.
Gotcha.
Yeah, there's no bump. This one, if I thought I could get my second shot and get the hit, but if it requires a third, I got to leave.
Yeah, you could just go faster.
Okay.
That one didn't get pasted right there, Chris.